Let's talk about power struggles and what you can do about it. Nobody likes to get into a power struggle, and it happens all the time. It's kind of just a human thing. Let me give you a tool that's going to really help. First of all, anything that comes at you, anything, a noise, a movement, something visual, an action, people, whatever it is, it's what we consider an event. All right, so when something happens, you have to respond to it. Every event that you're faced with is going to trigger an automatic thought. So when we talk about cognitive, this is Aaron Beck's work. I'm talking about cognitive behavior. We think about it as we have an automatic thought in our brain. It's based on the way we were wired, the way we were taught, the way we were disciplined, what got our needs met, right? And so we all form that throughout the years, which is why sometimes you look at somebody in a public place and go, but they just do that right in front of me? Like they should know better. But they didn't learn it your way, all right? So that's why we get tripped up. So when that automatic thought takes over, it actually forms your perception. And that's where things can get difficult, because if you don't change your perception in that moment about the behavior that just came at you, then you're going to get emotional. And emotion plays a big part in how we react. So what we really want to do is we want to become better responders versus reactors. We're really good at reacting. Most of the world is, but we've got to be better at responding. So go through that, thought in your head and say, this kid just swore right at me. My automatic thought is, that's disrespectful. They can't say that to me, but they just did. I've got to change my perception and say, I don't know what just happened 2 minutes before. This isn't about me. I'm going to manage myself. Don't get emotional. Don't get upset. Take 2 steps back and say, you know what? I'm going to give you a minute and take some space. And then let's see if we can talk and figure out this problem. See, that's a response versus a reaction. So if we can get better at that, we won't get sucked into those power struggles. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.